Okay, so we are live now. Namaskar,
Good
dosto. Good
evening.
evening. Today I have a very young and energetic guest in my show, a very pretty and charming Dimple Dalwani. Okay, welcome to the show, Dimple.
Thank you so much.
Hmm.
Good
You
evening
are
to
a
everyone
peer.
who's watching it.
uh, Yeah, good evening and Jai Julelal because it is a Sindhi
Jai
series. So
Jhulelal.
yeah, good.
Jai Jhulelal.
Okay, okay. You are PR and social media marketer. You are also a
Right.
meditation coach and a spiritual healer. You are a tarot card reader for last 13 years and you run your own center by the name of Your Inner Worlds, right?
Correct.
Anything
Correct.
else I am missing out?
No, that's perfect.
Okay. So Dimple, welcome to the my show. Welcome to
Thank
my show.
you. Thank you
Okay.
once again.
So shall we start the question answer session?
Sure, sure. Let's start.
Okay. Before I ask you about your social media marketing, tell me
Right.
how did you become this at a very young age, a meditation coach, a coach, and what exactly is this meditation coach? Please tell us.
Okay. So, firstly, like we all know, meditation is something that we do to connect to our inner selves and to stay calm and peaceful. In my family, like we live in a joint family, and I've always had the influence of my of my parents, my grandparents, my chachas. Everyone was into some form of a spiritual practice. Like if someone went to the mission to meet Dada Vaswani, someone was into Radha Swami. Like my nani side would believe into religion, like Lord Krishna, mythological stories. So I feel the religious and spiritual influence was always there in my life since a young age. But at the age of 18, I remember it was, it was Christmas break, and that was the first Christmas break that my dad didn't really take us on a holiday. And I was like, what do I do? 10 days, 15 days, I do not know what to do. So my mom suggested that I join a numerology class, and I went for the class, and I was so intrigued by the whole science and by the study that I started getting more into it. And I did numerology, tarot card reading, graphology. And I slowly moved into meditation because, of course, when you do these practices, you do need to connect to your intuition and your gut. So, what I would say is something that is it turned out to be something that I just went for fun, and it's something now I've taken up. Like it's become very passionate for me, and yeah, that's how I actually got into it.
So are you a religious personality?
I term myself to be more spiritual than religious.
Okay, good. Acha.
Right.
Now, my
And
next, please carry on. Please carry on.
sorry, to answer the second part of your question, what do I do in terms of a meditation
Hmm.
coach? I conduct guided meditations where it can be one on one, or I do group classes where I take you through a guided form of meditation where you are sitting into meditation and I am conducting it for you.
Hmm.
And we use different formats of meditation. Like sometimes we use sound, Tibetan singing bowls, sometimes we use chants, sometimes we use
I'll stop you for a second. I'll stop you for a
okay,
second.
sure, sure.
Is it all paid and it's the package or what? You do it voluntarily.
No, so a lot of my meditation sessions, I do it voluntarily as well. And there are
Hmm.
some paid sessions depending on, which organization I'm doing. Like when I teach kids meditation from the age of 3 to 12 at the Sadhu Aswani mission for
Hmm.
Gurukul classes. So,
Hmm.
of course, like it really depends. Like sometimes when I'm being invited to a particular, as a guest speaker for a meditation coach, at that point of time, it's something that I wouldn't charge. But again, it's something that I cannot say because we don't term it as money. We say it as an energy exchange.
Okay. Acha, this
Right.
is actually a very new concept to the India. Is it affordable for a common man? Just asking.
Oh, of course, yes. Of course, yes.
Okay. Acha.
Of
I'll
course.
ask you a question about your social media marketing also, but later.
Sure, sure, sure.
Right now, as you know, that we are under lockdown, entire India, entire world.
Correct.
The
Correct.
businesses are shut, and even these people who go to offices do jobs, they are also at home. And
Right.
maybe you are single, but it is very tough to spend the whole day with your wife or your husband. It's very tough.
Of course. Of course.
So okay, so because you are a meditation coach, I want to know,
Right.
do you matlab, what should I say? Can you give us tips for stress management or a quick
Right.
5-10 minute meditation class here?
Sure. So I can take a meditation, but I'd recommend to do it at the end of the session because,
I don't mind. I
after
don't
you're
mind.
in a meditative space, you would want to be in that space for some
Hmm.
time. Certain tips to combat the stress management is पहले तो आप
अच्छा,
ये ध्यान
इसमें
के
इसमें मैं एक चीज और ऐड कर देता हूँ। पहले तो
हाँ
आप
हाँ
बताना कि स्ट्रेस के बेसिक रीजंस क्या होते हैं, और उसके
ठीक है
बाद टिप्स टू कम्बैट इट या
ठीक है
कंट्रोल इट
ठीक है
रादर। ओके।
ठीक है तो
जी बताइए।
पहले what I feel the most important reason for stress is the fact that you have to deal with your own expectations and people's expectations. तो मैं जो बोलूं कि हम expectations जो बात करते हैं वो सबसे बड़ी चीज होती है स्ट्रेस के वजह से क्योंकि क्योंकि हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि हम सुबह के उठ के कुछ करें
हम्म।
लॉकडाउन है लेकिन कुछ तो करना है क्योंकि सब लोग कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे हैं तो उस हिसाब से like when you're thinking about that you are going to add additional stress to yourself of
हम्म।
course lots of I'm being a social media marketer and I'm still saying this like a lot of use of social media as well is one of the main reasons of stress all across the world not only in our country
यू
so
मीन टू से
right
फेसबुक
now
और व्हाट्सएप?
not only Facebook, WhatsApp. We have Facebook, WhatsApp. You have Instagram. You have Snapchat. You have Twitter. You have LinkedIn. Of course, then you have your moving a little to digital media, online media. You have Netflix. So there's so much that's happening. Everything is online. So we are not resting ourselves. कि हम बार बार क्या कर रहे हैं हम स्क्रीन पे व्हाट्सएप कर रहे हैं नहीं तो हम टीवी देख रहे हैं नहीं तो हम लैपटॉप पे है कुछ मे बी किसी का लाइव शो देख रहे हैं तो हम constantly अपने like our mind is constantly working in some activity engaged in something so हमको ये बात अपने ध्यान में रखना है कि हर 15-20 मिनट रेस्ट देके 5 मिनट के लिए फिर से वो एक्टिविटी को ज्वाइन करे so like when I also do social media after 20 minutes 30 minutes I take a 5 minute break rest my eyes rest my mind calm myself down again because your hormones and your in your body and your thoughts keep getting aggravated with all these emissions from the phones from the TV so there are a lot of radiations that affect us which we do not realize so that is one of the biggest reasons for stress secondly of course expectations like I said कि कुछ लोग काम कर रहे हैं कुछ लोग काम नहीं कर रहे हैं आगे क्या होगा कोविड के बाद हम कैसे लाइक मेन थिंग है कि हमारा जॉब रहेगा नहीं रहेगा बिजनेस
एंजाइटी।
फॉर
एंजाइटी।
बिजनेसमैन एंजाइटी करेक्ट सो ये सब जो हम एंजाइटी में आ जाते हैं तो वो भी एक बहुत बड़ा रीजन है स्ट्रेस के लिए and of course, the third reason is lack of exercise and the kind of food you eat. Because we are locked down, हम ज़्यादा बाहर नहीं जा पा रहे हैं तो we have to make sure कि हम घर पे कुछ ना कुछ exercise करें या किसी या walk simple walk घर पे करें अगर हम building में जा सकते हैं तो नीचे जाके walk करें या basic yoga poses anything that calms you down you should do that to combat stress or eating right when I say eating right I'm not saying like do not enjoy the food that you're eating but हम stress में आ जाते हैं तो हम
बट देयर कैन बी
अपने
एन ऑड चीट
इमोशंस
डे।
को नो नॉट चीते हम अपने इमोशंस को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाते तो इसीलिए हम जो भी सामने आता है हम खा जाते हैं
अच्छा।
or
अच्छा।
one of the
हाँ।
most important things is a lot of times when we are in stress, the first thing I recommend everyone is to drink a glass of water because a
हम्म।
lot of times when we are in stress, we go less on our breath and we feel we are hungry. There's something that's missing. It's actually the breath. So if you center yourself and come back to your breath, drink a glass of water, you will notice that you are not hungry and you will not stress binge eat.
अच्छा, डू यू रिकमेंड मेडिसिन ऑल्सो फॉर स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट, or you
I would
totally rely
never.
on psychology?
No. I would never recommend medicines for stress management because stress is something that is in control. We are in control of it. It's not something that we cannot control. And the most important part that I forgot to mention before you hit the bed in the night, अब रात को जब सोते हो आधा घंटा पहले आपको अपना फोन बंद करना चाहिए क्योंकि जो फोन के रेडिएशंस होते हैं they tell us that we are still awake तो आधा घंटा पहले जब हम बंद करते हैं तो our body prepares ourselves to go back to sleep and rest
Okay. Is sleep disorder also a part of stress or because of stress?
Sleep disorder is a part of is a part of stress.
Okay. So my next question to you is, you are
Sure.
also a PR. Okay. So tell us what
Correct.
exactly you do as a PR and your thoughts on world post COVID.
Okay. So, in terms of PR, PR is public relations. Is as simple as that you maintain your relationships with the
Now,
public.
let me stop
I
you for a
work,
second. I knew
sure.
the full form PR is public relation. Actually, I have asked this question on behalf of audience कि ये PR public relation होता क्या है?
Correct, correct. I'm of course telling it for the audience.
Okay.
So I work for a company where we handle hospitality and fashion luxury. So it's like in public relations, we make sure that that there is branding that's taking place, and we speak about how efficient your brand is, what goes into building this brand, and we ensure that the right kind of audience gets targeted and comes to your brand. So, for example, if it's a restaurant, okay, if it's Indian food restaurant, what kind of audience would enjoy Indian food restaurant? So we brand and package it in such a way, and we invite that kind of audience who would love to enjoy that food.
Acha. Okay.
So
And
public
so
relations it's literally like maintaining
is this
relationships.
particular field affected due to COVID and this lockdown?
Of course, this
The
field.
hotel and tourism industry?
Of course. So PR is usually what we consider to be a luxury to to any of your basic needs in the hospitality or fashion industry. And of course, with COVID, everything in lockdown, restaurants are shut. Restaurants have started home delivery right now, but fashion brands are shut. There's no delivery taking place. PR is
Yeah.
one of the biggest industries that has been hit, and it is going to take at least next 6 to 8 months for it to just start reviving back. So I'm not
Okay.
going to, so post COVID also, you will not see a lot of rise of the PR industry.
Would you like to mention any of your main or famous clients you have? Would you like to mention? It's okay if you want to keep that private.
So I handle the social media for Little Italy. It's India's most loved Italian restaurant, and they've
Acha.
just branched out to Dubai, opening soon in London.
Okay.
Yeah,
Is this COVID period turning out to be a boom for social media? And
of
if
course.
yes, okay, okay. Your answer is yes. So how can we make the most out of this boom?
Okay, so firstly, like we all know, social media is something that had already reached its peak a couple of years back, and now it's kind of stabilizing its peak. And with the COVID coming in, where everything else is shut, जहाँ दुनिया बाहर से बंद है, social media चालू है, correct?
जी.
So
Even we are
social media.
connecting through social media.
Exactly, correct. We've seen a lot of technological changes coming into social media in this entire COVID period. So there are a
Yeah.
lot of changes that have come up on Facebook, Instagram, live sessions like we're using StreamYard, Zoom. So there are a lot of apps which are connecting different people and helping them stay together, connected. So of course, social media is on a complete boom. And I would suggest at this point of time for all those who have a business and of course they are not able to go out because of the lockdown, आप ये time को सही तरह से इस्तेमाल करो. I'm going to say use this time correctly. Invest in understanding how social media works. Use it for the benefit of your brand. Start, if you're not on social media, get onto social media. If you're on social media, how you can get it better. Study the digital world, study how the creatives are made, study what content needs to go out, what kind of hashtags you need to put. There's a lot that goes in. हम जब बोलते हैं कि हमको ये क्रिएटिव बनाना है जो फॉरवर्ड करना है, तो हम क्रिएटिव बनाते हैं, पर वो क्रिएटिव हम कैसे बनाते हैं वो ज्यादा जरूरी है कि जब लोग देखें उनको पसंद आए. पसंद आना इज अगेन सब्जेक्टिव, पर जो टेक्स्ट हम यूज करते हैं, जो कलर्स यूज करते हैं, जो पिक्चर्स यूज करते हैं, वो सब को भी फॉर दैट ऑल्सो द इट्स लाइक अ माइंड सेट, इट्स लाइक अ साइकोलॉजी दैट वी यूज टू क्रिएट दैट. सो इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड. और ये पीरियड में आप like if you put out content, if you put out these creatives, आपको कितने likes आ रहे, कितने hits आ रहे, कितने comments आ रहे, उस हिसाब से फिर आप रिसर्च करके आप जो चेंजेस लाना है आपके बिजनेस में सोशल मीडिया के लिए आप वो कर सकते हैं. तो ये ट्रायल एंड एरर आप ये टाइम में यूज कर सकते हो, ताकि जब लॉकडाउन खुलेगा तो आपको ये जो लाइक टाइम है कोविड का, जब हम लॉकडाउन में हैं, आप वो सही तरह से इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज इन फ्यूचर पोस्ट कोविड, लाइक यू आस्क्ड मी, एवरीथिंग इज गोना बी ऑनलाइन फॉर सम टाइम। लाइक अगर आपको
Yeah.
रेस्टोरेंट से फूड, इफ यू वांट टू ऑर्डर फूड फ्रॉम रेस्टोरेंट्स, इट्स होम डिलीवरी। आपको कुछ भी
Hmm.
ऑर्डर करना है, आप ऑनलाइन डिलीवरी करोगे। आप मॉल्स बंद है, सिनेमाज बंद है, तो आप जो भी करोगे, लाइक आपको अपने ऑडियंस से कनेक्ट करना है, उनको बोलना है कि ये नए प्रोडक्ट्स आए हैं, तो आप कैसे करोगे? ऑनलाइन करोगे। आप उनको प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाओगे, फिर वो आपको पेमेंट ऑनलाइन करेंगे और आप डिलीवरी कर दोगे। कॉन्टैक्टलेस डिलीवरी, जितना कम इंटरेक्शन हो सकता है। तो सोशल मीडिया आप इस हिसाब से यूज कर सकते हो कि आपके बिजनेस को ही फायदा होगा आगे चल के।
अच्छा, जिसको ये सर्विसेज लेनी हो वो आपको कैसे कांटेक्ट करे?
पर्सनल नंबर।
ओके, फाइन,
राइट।
थैंक यू। अच्छा,
So, like they say, the future
हाँ,
of the world post COVID is social media.
फाइन। So even you are under lockdown. So what are the
Right.
precautions you are taking against COVID, and what are you doing this during this lockdown period?
Okay, so I'm working from home. Of course, like I said, social media doesn't sleep, and social media is
Hmm.
boomed. So we've been working 24/7 on social media, uh, work hours, and apart from that, what I'm really doing is I make sure I have a schedule. So if I have to report to work from 11:30 to 5:30, after 5:30 or 6, depending on the day the work gets over, I make sure I set aside 1 hour for exercise and
Okay, physical exercise.
physical exercise. And then, of course, like, since we stay in a joint family, then we have, like, interaction of what happened during the day. And, like family time, then we have dinner. And of course, then
गप्पे
uh,
मारना, गप्पे मारना.
gappe marna. But what I've noticed during the lockdown is we've all come together with the help of games. So the games that we've forgotten to play when we were much younger, like
Online
Scrabble,
games. You
Ludo,
mean online games?
not online games, board games, Monopoly,
Okay.
Ludo,
Carom.
Scrabble, Snakes and Ladders, Carom, name place animal things. So we've started connecting through games, and that's actually a great family bonding activity that I would tell everyone to get into. Even if you don't have these board games, switch on an online game, but play together as a family.
Yeah, we do play tambola during
Oh
this
wow.
evening. All our
Right.
relatives. Fine.
That's
Okay,
great.
before we go for that meditation
Right.
session you have promised us, I want you
Yes.
to give a message to the Sindhi youth, and for that
To the
matter,
Sindhi.
entire Indian youth.
Correct. So I would my only message would to everyone would be right now is stay calm. Don't get very anxious of the future. Live each day because there is so much of uncertainty that no one knows what's next. You will call someone who's a senior, or you will try and ask someone what's happening. We do not know. So all I'm going to
Hmm.
say is continue working on your skills, upgrade your skills during this time. There are a lot of free courses that are available, including from Harvard and Oxford universities, which, otherwise we wouldn't have got access to these courses. So, use this time to skill up, learn new skills that will help you in your work further, that will help you take your business to another level. And if there's anything in any way that you can contribute back to the world, I'd suggest please do that
Can you
just
share
by
few
being at
links?
home.
Yeah, yeah. Can you share
Of
few
course.
links? You have mentioned the Oxford and Harvard, whatever you have said.
Sure, I'll share it with you, and then you can share it ahead.
Fair enough. Okay, so shall we start that session? I'm looking
Sure,
forward to it. Yeah.
sure, sure,
Okay.
sure. So before we
We'll do it
start,
sitting only. We'll do it sitting only, while
sitting,
sitting
you
only.
need to do it sitting, right? Before we
Okay.
start the meditation, I'd just like to thank Indus Sindhi organization,
I'll
Mr.
I'll
Nitin,
take
for
all.
having.
I'll hold on to it. I'll take all the thank yous and everything. We'll do it at the end of the day. Don't worry.
Okay,
First, you
sure.
complete the session. I'll go through the formality. Don't worry.
Okay,
I
sure.
won't I won't let you go before saying thank you to me.
No, the thing is just that post meditation, a lot of people do just tend to be in their silent
Okay, so
space.
then
So I
you can
thought,
give your message. Okay, okay. Please,
yeah.
please. Then you can give your
So
message.
Sure. So thank you so much for having me. It's great, and I hope I could be of great value to everyone out there. And just a small message, not only to the Sindhi youth or to the Sindhi community out there, but thank you so much, Nitin, for getting everyone together through your organization, through your association, and helping people bind and listen to things that can help them stay motivated during this period of time and work on themselves. Thank
I
you
want
so
to
much.
You're most welcome. I wish to mention this, and I want to tell the audience that Dimple is daughter of मेरे बहुत बहुत खास और बहुत अजीज मेरे डॉक्टर पीटर जलवानी उनकी बेटी है. बट मैं ये बात बहुत क्लियर करना चाहता हूँ कि वो मेरे साथ इंटरव्यू में इसलिए नहीं है कि वो उनकी बेटी है. मैंने इनका प्रोफाइल देखा और पता नहीं मुझे क्यों लगा कि मेरे शो में डिम्पल का आना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि इस समय इट इज द नीड ऑफ द आर, एवरीबडी इज अंडर स्ट्रेस. तो मैंने इनको इंसिस्ट किया. पहले तो राजी नहीं हुई. शी वॉज नॉट रेडी फॉर दिस इंटरव्यू. देन राजी हो गई. So thank you very much for taking time out. I'm grateful to you and to your dad who convinced you. Now let's start the session. Okay?
Thank you. My pleasure. Sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Um, so I am going to conduct this meditation. It's going to be a quick 10-minute meditation.
Hmm.
Uh, if you feel that you are not being able to meditate, just keep your eyes closed because it can be a little difficult for people who are doing it for the first time.
No, I'll
So
close my eyes and
let's
when
close our
कब
eyes.
खोलना है वो बता देना. कब खोलना है वो मुझे बता देना. ऐसा ना हो कि आंखें बंद
हाँ
रह जाएं
हाँ.
और आप निकल जाओ. ठीक है?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, ऐसे नहीं होगा.
Okay. Okay. So shall I close my eyes?
So yeah,
Okay.
all of us,
I've
let's close
closed
our
my eyes.
eyes.
Hmm.
Our back is straight. We're sitting straight
Hmm.
and we are connecting to our breath. आप अपनी आंखें बंद करके अपनी सांस पे ध्यान देना. We are going to take 3 deep breaths. As you breathe in, your stomach goes out. As you breathe out, your stomach goes in. It's important to breathe correctly to be able to maintain the peace and the calm that we want to feel and experience in our lives. Breathe in, your stomach goes out. Breathe out, your stomach goes in. You will feel a deep sense of peace and calm. Your eyes are relaxed, your forehead is relaxed, your body is relaxed. You're letting go of everything that's heavy and stressful in your body. Loosen up a little and just stay. I'm going to take you through a guided meditation which involves visualization. Just listen as I take you through this meditation today. Imagine there are roots, just like the roots of a tree, growing from the soles of your feet and the end of your tailbone, like a tripod. These roots are growing deep, 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 breaking through the earth's surface and getting you connected to the center of Mother Earth. Just like you are connected to the mother through an umbilical cord, when you are in her womb, you are connecting to Mother Earth's energy today. She gives you lots of energy of unconditional love, nurturing, caring, which is light pink in color. And through the roots, you sweep it up into your entire body. Every organ, every muscle, every nerve, every cell is getting this energy today. And from the universe high above, we visualize a column of white light, which is the light of strength, confidence. It's masculine in feature, and it's coming from the Father universe. From the head, which is where the crown chakra is located, it's going deep into your third eye chakra, your throat chakra, your heart chakra, your solar plexus, your sacral, and your root. It's okay if you do not know where are these chakras located for now. The light has its own intelligence and it is taking its space into your chakric system, your body, your organs, your cells, your tissues, your nerves, everywhere. And now we imagine a perfect balance, like the yin and the yang, like the black and the white. This energy is perfectly balanced at the heart center, which is of light pink and white, which is of courage and nurturing, love and strength, perfectly balanced. We feel a deep sense of calm, peace, and divinity. We feel like we've touched the core of our soul today. This light energy that we've got today, we are moving it to the physical body, mental body, emotional body, and etheric body. These are bodies which is just outside your physical body structure. So we're sending all the light into the auric system, our aura that is around us. And now we call upon Archangel Michael to draw an egg-shaped bubble of white light around us, which is a shield of protection, to take care that all the positive energy that we've created today stays within us and we are able to feel the sense of calm throughout the day. We feel blissful and calm once again. We've been protected from any outside stress energies or negative energies that we can take hold of when we are not protected with the shield. We now imagine that we are a sack of potatoes that's completely heavy and very difficult to move forward or carry it to the next stop. And then we imagine that we are cutting this sack of potatoes into two halves and all the potatoes are falling apart. So just like the potatoes fall apart from the sack, you are letting go of all emotions that are toxic, negative, heavy, stressful, anything that's troubling you, any kind of thoughts, jealousy, any kind of lower frequency energies, anger, frustration, irritation, we are letting it all out of our body today. Remember, just like the potato sack is split into the two and the potatoes have spilled out, we have also split ourselves into two and allowing all these emotions to get washed away. Release as much as you can and keep letting go of all these emotions. You are releasing painful memories, hurt, negative thoughts, unfulfilled wishes and dreams, frustrations, toxicity, and anything that's heavy and weighing you down. Unfulfilled expectations, feelings of being unloved or misused or mistreated or misjudged. All those feelings are coming out. And now, when you're ready, we push the body back together and we close it again. We are now one whole and full. Just like we would stitch up the potato sack to make it one, we stitch up our body, we just bring it back. The body has its own intelligence and it gets back to its wholeness and fullness. You now feel renewed and light. You feel like you can breathe much better. And you can fly because there's so much of lightness that's come into you. And before we end the meditation session, we visualize a stream of fresh water, like a waterfall, flowing from the top of our head, cleansing and washing away anything that is not required by our physical body, mental body, emotional body, or etheric body today. So we are washing away with the waterfall everything that we no longer require. Let the gush of the waterfall flow through your head, your ears, your eyes, your eyebrows, your forehead, your nose, your cheeks, your lips, your throat, your shoulders, your spine, your kidneys, your liver, your heart, your back, your arms, your forearms, your wrist, your palms, your elbows, your stomach, your lower stomach, the pelvic region, your thighs, your knees, the calves, the joints, the ankles, the foot, everything is being washed away from every cell into your body. And it's going, all that water is just flowing back to Mother Earth. You don't need to worry where that water is going. It's taking away all the debris from your body. And now that you feel renewed and refreshed, we come back to the space, to our physical body, where we wriggle our toes, our fingers, make light movements, where we bring our palms together, rub them, place them on our eyes. Your eyes are still closed. We bring our hands in Namaste position at the heart center and we pay thanks to the Lord for helping us today. Thank you.
Thank you.
And you're ready to open your eyes.
Wow, refreshing experience.
Yeah,
Oh, definitely.
that's great. How do you
I
feel?
hope. Oh, I'm
Do
feeling
you
very
feel
light.
lighter? That's
Very
great.
light. Yeah, I hope everyone is feeling light.
I
अच्छा
hope so
आज तो
too.
आज तो आपने करा दिया अब रोज करना हो तो कैसे करें ये
आप रोज ये कर सकते हो.
इतना तो हमें नहीं अच्छा आप
ठीक है.
देसी
तो
भाषा में
आप
या सिंपल लैंग्वेज में समझा दो कैसे करें रोज
आप 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 अगर 5 बार भी ओम चांट करें दिन में तो वो
हम्म,
काफी है क्योंकि ओम जो वाइब्रेशंस है ओम के वो हमारे हर एक सेल में चला जाता है इमोशंस में जाता है थॉट्स में जाता है मेंटल बॉडी फिजिकल बॉडी और एकदम हमको काम कर देता है या आप वो कर सकते हो या आप भजन चालू करके वो भी सुन सकते हो नहीं तो आप कोई गाइडेड मेडिटेशन लेके अगर आपको लाइक चाहिए तो मैं आपको भेज सकती हूँ या
या
ऑनलाइन
प्लीज
से आप यूट्यूब से ले सकते हो जो भी आपको चाहिए आप वो मेडिटेशन कर सकते हो, या आप चांटिंग करो जो। और अगर आपको वो भी नहीं हो, मैं सबको बोलती कि इफ देयर इज एनी क्रिएटिव एक्टिविटी जो आपको बहुत पसंद है, जैसे पेंटिंग, कुकिंग, स्टिचिंग, डांसिंग, जो भी क्रिएटिव एक्टिविटी आपको पसंद है, कि आप उसमें खो जाते हो, कि आपको पता नहीं चलता है कब किसने बुलाया है या फोन बज रहा है, वो भी एक मेडिटेशन का फॉर्म होता है जो हम बहुत लोगों को नहीं मालूम है। तो अगर आप वो भी करें, इट्स मोर देन इनफ। जरूरी
फाइन।
नहीं है कि आप मेडिटेशन क्रॉस लेग करके, आंख बंद करके ही करें। जिसमें आपको शांति मिले आप वो करो। वो मेडिटेशन होता है कि हम कॉन्शियसली सब काम करें। वो रियल मेडिटेशन होता है कि डेली लाइफ में भी हम कॉन्शियस बन के रहे। अ कॉन्शियस लिविंग इज व्हाट वी कॉल इट।
फाइन। एनीथिंग एल्स यू वांट टू शेयर विद अस? कुछ रह
No,
गया हो?
thank you so much. I hope you all feel really good after this meditation.
या आई रिक्वेस्ट एवरीबॉडी टू कमेंट, लेट मी जस्ट मेक एन अपील।
Sure.
तो दोस्तों, ये हमारे साथ थी डिम्पल दलवानी पुणे से। आप, मुझे उम्मीद है आपको बहुत मजा आया होगा इस सेशन में। कुछ हटके था, हमने सोचा आज कुछ हटके करते हैं, कुछ लाइट करते हैं। सवाल जवाब का सेशन तो बहुत हो गया। तो इन्होंने मेडिटेशन कराई, अपना एक्सपीरियंस और टैलेंट हमें दिखाया। मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया। आपको कैसा लगा प्लीज कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइएगा। डिम्पल, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग
Thank you, sir.
एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू। थैंक यू।
Thank you. Jai
ओके, बाय बाय,
Jhulelal.
टेक केयर, जय झूलेलाल।
Bye.
जय झूलेलाल, बाय बाय।